Hey guys, welcome to another MSM video, and in this video I'm going to talk to you about working with Lexan, how to do a body modification. I'm going to give you some tips and some tricks and show you how easy it is to modify a Lexan body. Let's dive in. This topic of today's video is this guy right here. This is my Proline Gladiator body. This was put onto my Element Bushido, and this body needed to have the rear bobbed because there was too much of an overhang. And so after doing the video, someone asked me how I did that. And I thought, you know what? If one person is interested, perhaps many of you would be interested. So let's talk about it. It's a very easy thing to do. Working with Lexan can be troublesome at times. It can be challenging, but a modification like this actually isn't too difficult. Let's talk about how I did it. So I started out by putting the body onto the chassis, and I wanted to make sure the body was no longer than the frame rails. And this body from Proline has a great front dimension. It lines up perfectly with the front of the frame rails, but at the back I had quite an overhang and I wanted to get rid of that. So what I did is I marked the body with tape. That tape would show me where my cut lines would be. That way I'm not going to make a mistake and cut too much or too little. That's really one of my first tips to give you, is that whenever I'm working with Lexan, be it a modification like this, or if I'm trimming a body to fit rock sliders, I use tape, and I have multiple widths of tape. I use Tamiya tape. They come in multiple widths, which can give me multiple different cut lines. It's a great product. I use it for my painting and for body mods. So definitely add that to your toolbox. You won't be disappointed. So once I have my tape line set, now I know I'm going to cut along the tape line on the right, which will give me my tailgate assembly. I'm going to cut a tape line on the left, which will be the edge of the body where the body will stop and where my joint will be for the tailgate. So once I made those cuts, I took the tailgate assembly and I trimmed away the top, I trimmed away the sides and the bottom. So all I had was just the skin of the tailgate. It's a very flat piece of Lexan. And I did that for a couple different reasons. One was fit. By having the other pieces of the tailgate, mating it to the body was not going to look as good as I had wanted, and it wasn't going to be as tight to the body as I wanted. Second of all, I wanted to just get rid of depth. So by going to the skin, now for sure my body is ending exactly where I want it to end, where my tape line was. It's nice and clean and provides a great departure angle. So with that trimmed, with it ready to go onto the body, I taped it in place, and then I used an adhesive. Two adhesives I use. One is shoe goo, and there's a second one, I think it's called E6000. Both of them are like a very heavy glue, almost like a gel, and they work excellent for all sorts of different things, bonding, plastics, metals, what have you. Anyhow, again, tip number 2, if you don't have those adhesives in your toolbox, please add them. You'll definitely make use of them. They're perfect for all sorts of jobs. So we have our tailgate skin. We've got it taped to the body. I went into the back side of the body and I put the adhesive along the seam lines, and it is on there. That is going nowhere. It's very rigid, very strong. So when this takes a tumble, I don't have to worry about the tailgate coming off. Once the adhesive had dried, I removed the tape and I checked my seams, and everything looked really, really good. And that was it. Task completed. It is that easy. At least this was. So now what I have when I put it onto the chassis is I have the front of the body is right in line with the front bumper mounts, and in the back now I have the tailgate in line with the rear frame rails. And what it provides for me out on the rocks is great approach angle and great departure angle, and I'm really able to capitalize on that short wheelbase by having a body that's nice and tucked and tight. So Watch the video I have here in the end card at the end of the video. That video is the Bushido out on the rocks and on the trail. It was a fun video to make, and we shook down some new shocks. We tried a couple new suspension settings, and it was just a really informative day out on the rocks. It will show you the Bushido in action, and you get a great sense for how the proportions of the body now fit the frame rails. So please go and check that video out. I'll put it as one of the end cards at the end of the video. As always, if you're enjoying what you're seeing, please like the videos that you enjoy watching. That gives us feedback as to the topics and what we should cover and what we should do for upcoming videos. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. We appreciate the growth we've had. Our subscriber count keeps growing, and we're very happy about that. So thank you to all of you for watching our videos. Go check out the Bushido video and see this thing in action, and we'll catch you in the next MSM video. Thank you.